Advanced Orthomolecular Research AOR, Lactoferrin-250, 60 vegetarian capsules. Product Overview Description. Supports iron absorption and immune modulation. Vegetarian non-GMO gluten-free advanced dietary supplement. GMP Manufacturing. Quality assured independent testing. Discussion. Lactoferrin is an iron transporter glycoprotein originally isolated from bovine milk. Lactoferrin is a multitasking protein with various biological roles including binding to iron, which contributes to its beneficial immune effects. Suggested use. Take one capsule 1 to 6 times daily with meals and a few hours before or after taking other medications, or as directed by a qualified healthcare practitioner. Other ingredients. Capsule, hypromellose and purified water, and sodium stearyl fumarate. Contains milk, bovine. AOR guarantees that all ingredients have been declared on the label. Made without wheat, gluten, corn, nuts, peanuts, sesame seeds, sulfites, mustard, soy, eggs, fish or shellfish. Warnings. Consult your physician if you are pregnant or lactating, or if you have a medical condition, or if you're taking any medication. Keep out of reach of children. Do not use if safety seal is broken. Store tightly sealed in a cool, dry place. Disclaimer. While AOR strives to ensure the accuracy of its product images and information, some manufacturing changes to packaging and/or ingredients may be pending update on our site. Although items may occasionally ship with alternate packaging, freshness is always guaranteed. We recommend that you read labels, warnings and directions of all products before use and not rely solely on the information provided by AOR.